Hey guys, welcome to Hey Crafty Lady. Have you seen these super cute tea light holders and wondered how to make them? Well, today I'll show you how easy it is to make one of these using cheap and readily available materials. Let's do it. The first thing you'll want to do is to take your Cemental and mix it with some water. I don't have exact measurements here, but usually it's a 4:1 ratio. 4 parts Cemental to 1 part water. If it looks too runny or too thin, just add a little bit more Cemental or a little bit more water and you'll be all right. The next thing you'll want to do is to take your mixture and to pour it into an old water bottle. Next, inflate a balloon, twist the top, place the top of the balloon over the water bottle. Allow the balloon to untwist and squeeze all the contents into the balloon. Deflate the balloon entirely and tie it off. Use a clamp like I have here or even just a regular C-clamp and take your candle and squish it into your balloon. Tighten it down and position it in a way that you would like it. Once the cement is set, cut off the balloon from your candle holder using a pair of scissors. Sand your candle holder to your liking, or you can leave it unsanded if you'd like. I'm choosing to paint my candle holder, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You can seal your candle holder using a gloss glaze like I'm using here. This is the Decor Triple Thick gloss glaze, brilliant brush on gloss glaze. But you can use whatever you want, even just like a basic concrete sealant, if you choose to seal it at all. I love how this turned out. The speckled white on gray is such a cute look. This piece is an adorable addition to my home decor as well as to my work area. Let me know what you guys think. Could I have done anything differently? Do you want me to try a different design? Let me know if you tried this yourself and how it turned out for you. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, God bless.